like you said, you were very new to LinkedIn when we first met.
I really want to share to the people and tell to the people, please use LinkedIn. It was really so helpful. I'll be using in my entire life.
Hmm.
And the company I got in was because of referral through the LinkedIn.
Would you recommend this to other Koreans?
Yeah, 100%. And I've already recommended to my friends.
Minwoo, great to see you. Huge congratulations on all your success with the program.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate for your help.
Absolutely. I appreciated getting to work with you too. So, going back to the beginning, what first motivated you to join the Career Accelerator?
So, as you know, I graduated from the university back in Korea, and
Hmm.
with some motivations and many reasons, I decided to come to Japan.
Hmm.
And at the first time, I got a F&B related job, but
Hmm.
there were many issues over there, so I needed to quit that job. But in
Hmm.
that terms, like my mental was really breakdown. And
Hmm.
actually, I did myself to job searching and I done interviews and everything. But sometimes I got into documents pets. But in terms of interviews, I got failed everything. Like really
Hmm.
failed everything. So I
Hmm.
was almost giving up
Hmm.
to and get
Hmm.
back to Korea, and why not just searching out for the job from Korea. Like I was searching for another like job searches and everything. The price was really high, and it seems like they are not considering my features and what do I want to do in my future.
Hmm. Hmm.
But
Hmm.
at that terms, like at the good timing, I got a connection from like LinkedIn, and I searched you from the LinkedIn,
Hmm.
and your promotion and your like speaking seems like it would perfectly match me. So I decided to do this program.
Awesome. Well, I am glad that you made that decision. So, how did this program compare to maybe what you were expecting or like some other Hagwon English career coaching you've had in the past?
I got a lesson from my university that was like
Hmm.
resume educations,
Hmm.
but I just get lectures from there. Oh, wait, what does that mean? I couldn't get the point from there. And also, like,
Hmm.
whenever I saw the YouTube lessons, interview lessons, I couldn't really grasp the point. What would I have to appeal to them? But,
Hmm. Hmm.
and I didn't even realize the importance of LinkedIn because I had no profile, like,
Oh
like
yeah,
zero.
yeah, yeah, I remember. Yeah, yeah.
Yes. After I got into your lecture, I could learn what would be the main like strategy to write on to the resume or also the portfolio to appeal to the upcoming like people like HR team in upcoming companies. And also
Hmm.
like
Hmm.
interview, you told me there is like a framework so that you don't have to
Hmm.
memorize it, but in terms of following that a frame so that you can like fluently speak myself to others. And also LinkedIn was really so helpful. I would be
Hmm.
useful, I'll be using in my entire life.
Hmm.
And the company I got in was because of referral through the LinkedIn. And like
Hmm. Hmm.
other like it was above of my expectations that are they are really giving me helpfulness and was so helpful. I could find like a oh how would I say hack something like that.
Kind of, yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Awesome. Really appreciate that. So, like you said, you were very new to LinkedIn
Yes.
when we first met, and you didn't really see the purpose or the value of the platform. How about today? How do you feel about your LinkedIn profile, your networking, your understanding of LinkedIn now?
I really want to share to the people and tell to the people, please use LinkedIn because people in Korea don't really know the importance of LinkedIn. That's what I've thought. You can appeal to the global people and also like
Hmm.
the worldwide strategy. It is so helpful because the connections are really helpful. They're giving the referral, and there's a lot of chances. So that I'm really recommending to the people to use this platform.
I agree. That's why it's such a big part of the program. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. How about in job interviews? Because earlier you said when you were doing this by yourself, yeah, occasionally you would get to the interviews, but it would always end there. How about
Mhm.
now? How do you feel about your interview performance now?
Interviews are still hard,
They're
of
still
course,
hard. It's always going to be stressful. Yeah, yeah.
but still hard. But I was really obsessed with do I have to memorize it, or like which patterns of interviews do I have to do so that I can appeal to them.
Hmm.
But after I got a lesson from you, I got more relaxed and I could appeal myself more explicitly. I could appeal 100% of myself because I just know the frame. I just keep in the frame and I can talk flexibly in terms of the flow. Of
Hmm.
course, it is like in a summarized way so that I can persuade to the interviewers. I really learned the techniques from you, how to do a
Hmm.
better
Hmm.
interview.
Great. Love hearing that. So, what were the results of our program? Did you said it was your last chance? Was your last chance successful?
Yes, it was really successful, and I was really surprised my resume portfolio got passed over than like I don't really remember the percentage, but it was really high. The interviews, I got really successful on interviews, which I got into the last interview, but I just gave up because I got to another company. So and yeah,
Yeah, you were interviewing at multiple companies at the same time, right?
yes, yes. Finally, I got into a global company. I'm really enjoying this global atmosphere right now. And yeah,
Hmm.
I grab a
Hmm.
great opportunity right now.
Absolutely. Like like we talked about before the call, you're at one of the biggest companies in the world right now. So
Yes,
there are any opportunity you could want in your career existing
yes,
there.
yes.
So now that it's all done, how do you feel about your decision to join this program? Would you recommend this to other Koreans?
Yeah, 100%. And I've already recommended to my friends
Oh,
already.
really? I didn't know that. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so it was so helpful. And I just want to share to the people that there is another strategy to get a good job. If you go out from the Korea, there's a lot of chances powerful Koreans can grab a good jobs.
You are good enough. You just need the right strategy.
Thank you.
Mhm. And that's what you experienced. I helped you. I helped you promote yourself. You followed the right strategy. But the whole reason you were successful is because you have a ton of potential and you're a really motivated guy. So I was really happy to help you.
Thank you. And one thing I want to tell is like originally it was 4 months curriculum,
Hmm.
but I did my best in the curriculum, and I think I grabbed the first job within 3 months, 2 months and a half.
Yeah, it was
So
like
I
two and
think
a half months, I think. Yeah,
within 4 months, within 3 months, within 2 months, I could get to a good company, I think.
it is possible. Yeah, yeah. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for doing this video and congrats again on all your success.
Thank you so much.